welcome into the channel. I'm going to check out 1 in a billion moments in nature's and best of the year so far this year. This was like 6 months ago, so it was pretty early in the year. I guess I was in about April. Either way, I definitely appreciate you guys clicking my video. I'll just kind of jump right into this and not worry about an intro too much. Whoops. If I can hit the right buttons, make sure everything's working.
Hello, everyone.
Oh. Is this going to be narrated? I'll post the video down the road. Oh, bridge. Wow. Why do you sit still? I'm trying to get off of it.
The bridge in Taiwan shook violently in the 7.2 magnitude earthquake.
Jesus.
Everyone stood still in fear.
On a bridge? Why would you stay on a bridge? That stinks. See, they got away from it. Wow.
The Kisner Bridge over the Nolichucky River in Afton, Tennessee, collapsed and washed away.
Trying to fuck it up, fall over. Is that a shark?
Rare moment when killer whale hunts dolphin in Mexico. Everyone is excited to watch.
And awesome to see. Little freakies are awesome to see. Ooh. Oh. That's that dash cam.
Don't move. 뭐지? 터졌나? 아닌데?
상어가.
아니다.
Suddenly and unexpectedly, 2 Korean fishermen were fishing when a shark jumped onto their boat. It is true that you can eat without working.
Whoa!
Whoa. It's kind of blurry. Landslide. Man. Oh.
Just like in the movies, giant killer whale speeds up to chase fishing boat to hunt prey.
There's not a lot of active cases of them attacking humans, I don't believe. I mean, there's probably some, but I don't think there's a ton. Is that a natural disaster or man-made? Oh, that's a snake.
I got goosebumps with the moment a 3-meter-long python was picked up by workers cleaning up the Dominican rainforest. Aren't they scared?
Oh my gosh, it's flipping cars!
That would be not much fun.
Great white shark attacks diver cage, a species known as the world's largest predatory shark. Extremely dangerous. Do you want to experience it?
No. Well, they can't get you in the tanks, so.
Japan's 10-meter-long Momo-2 rocket crashed shortly after taking off from the launch pad and exploded. The girl plays innocently with her pet spiders. Is she too brave or too naive? The high-speed performance with synchronized movements by students from the Japan University of Sports Sciences left many viewers amazed and in awe.
That took a while to get down.
Maar heb ik deze wel eens op YouTube gezien?
Close-up of a tornado in the vast ocean, it looks scary, right? Don't come close.
Wat een ding.
Davy wordt in de zee. It's Davy.
that actually starts on land tornado. Oh, no, wow.
This was an underwater nuclear test conducted in 1958. The massive water column sank a large cargo ship.
I don't wonder if it was from that building. That's what I was going to say, but the actual monument off my train of thought. Is that lava? No one is in the valley showing that.
Close-up of lava flowing from a Hawaiian volcano like a waterfall. Although extremely dangerous, I have to admit it is beautiful and breathtaking.
What the heck? What is that? What is happening? It doesn't explain that.
等一下，先不要放手，地震。
Earthquake?
Oh. 超夸张的，
这个有7级了吧？
超过
了，
还在震哦，等一下。
Panic scene with lots of screaming. A 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck a 1,000-meter high mountain in Taiwan while a family was camping. Everyone held their breath waiting for the results, and I was nervous too.
What?
So. अरे भगदड़ मत करो.
A landslide occurred near Jalshamonth, India, causing a large mountain to collapse onto the road. There were many people standing nearby, which was extremely dangerous.
And they're cheering for a disaster destroying their home. See the spot.
Shocking landslide at a coal mine in northern China. It buried a lot of machinery, like an earthquake just happened.
Phép chạy từ này.
Phải. That's a lot of fire.
Đừng quay hồi lại đâu. Không phải bắt trực tiếp.
Pushing the heat down. I don't understand what's happening.
This is an unusual phenomenon before Super Typhoon Yagi made landfall in Vietnam, causing extremely brutal damage.
I do it. Most people think.
Weird, huh? This is a blue blubber jellyfish, a type of jellyfish that lives mainly in southern Australia. Its color is beautiful.
If we go to hear about them somewhere, those are kind of cool.
What a pity. The house collapsed quickly into the ravine during the historic flood in Connecticut, USA.
I don't think that's a pity. I think that's insane.
This is a flash flood that suddenly came at an extremely fast speed. But how come this guy is still calmly filming the video? I don't understand.
I mean, it's not really that fast compared to how fast water usually travels. Really, how did you guys even possible? Oh, yeah.
This guy was very lucky to catch this rare and strange glowing fish.
What do you mean?
太亮了，好漂亮！
正口，
哇，
是个正口。
That doesn't look normal. Oh, whoa. Holy. Middle of it. I can only imagine if they were playing a game. That would have been
Oh my God.
terrible.
A 30-meter sinkhole suddenly appeared in the middle of a football field in Alton, a city in the United States. Luckily, no one was on the field.
You see that? Holy. Man, they were lucky too. Man, there was some pretty cool stuff in this one. Definitely appreciate you guys clicking on the video and watching. Hopefully if you made it through, if you enjoyed, if you want to subscribe, definitely helps me out. I'm going to try to grow on here and have some fun with it, see how far things go. If I ever get good enough and start turning into movies and stuff, that'd be pretty cool. But for now, just going to try to keep checking out things along this manner and try to have some fun with it. Get better at being more vocalized. But definitely appreciate you being here. Until next one.